Hey guys, back with another video. Today I'm going to be installing the AET VUDU short shift on my Fiesta ST. It's new out, wanted to try it out, and mine didn't have short shift, so I thought perfect opportunity to give it a try, give it a review, as I know they've been absolutely rammed with sales. And the only other guy I've seen do it is Tommy Blake. So yeah, I thought I'd give it a crack. So let's have a look what we got to do. Down. Oh, I don't know if you can because it's too dark. Anyway, about here is where the gear linkage is. I've just literally gone out in my car, so it's absolutely boiling. There's a video coming out on this, but I ran out of it, so I'm redoing it. But basically what I've got to do, I've got to take off this pipe, move this somehow, unclip the MAF sensor, and there's like a pipe here and a switch down here in the way, which I'm gonna have to move, and then I'm gonna have to try and install it. But yeah, other than that, I think the product, to be quite honest, looks like it's built very nice. I like the little logo on it, I think that's sick. But everything on it looks fairly good. Let me clonk. Gosh, bit. There you go. So probably a little gander of her. So there you go. There she is. So yeah, gonna undo those 3 bolts, bung it underneath, bung a gear linkage on top, and yeah, should be good to go. Not too sure the difference between the two. It came on that one, so I bunged it on that one, but I'm just going to put it back here just to be safe. So let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to undo the induction. Make sure that comes off nice. Pull that off, even though it's not properly bloody connected. Take that off. Pop the MAF sensor. Pop that off. Make sure that's all safe and good. Undo down here. Oh no, that's the completely wrong bloody part. Let's do that bit back up. Sometimes it can fucking go. Oh, that'll be why it wasn't boosting very well, is because of that part. I thought it was boosting shit before. I need to try and do something, because between these two it's fucking horrendous. Basically, I've got to try somehow nudge this out, but that seems to be fucking wedged on. Right. Jesus. Basically, there you go. If I do that, you see, oh, I can't even show you. But basically, there you go. That bit there is what I need to get off. So I'm going to take off this, lift it up. I need to readjust this because whoever's done it is gash as fuck and got a cable tie there. So I'm going to take the headlight's going to come out in a sec, and I'm going to make sure it's all clipped on properly. There's no boost leaks or anything, because I found it was boosting really shit before. Right, so the MAF sensor's already undone. What you can do to go to the absolute extreme, I've done that a little bit too much, is basically what you can do. You can take all the battery out and put it on the side, but I really cannot be arsed because I'm going out for a Father's Day meal. So I thought, fuck it, I'm going to quickly do an install video. Which probably isn't going to take 5 minutes, but who cares? Because, yeah, Jesus Christ, this is, it's going to be more annoying than I thought. Fuck. But, anyway. Take the headlight. Out. Shake there. Headlight away. Oh, Jesus Christ. So literally, as you can tell, whoever's done this ain't done it correctly, because that is literally, that's just hanging. Like, I could just pull that out right now if I want to, but because they've cable tied it down, Jesus Christ, how gas do you want to be? And I'm going to get a new panel fit because that looks really dirty. I got the induction pipe off, I've got everything out of the way. I've got the actual, oh, it needs to focus, I've gotten it off now. So this is where it is now, the little bit, obviously it moves back and forth. Basically the way I did it, got a really big screwdriver and I've got loads of cuts. But basically, right, when you've got, oh God, when you're down here, it'd be on. You got this wall side bit here. Basically, you want to get that and pry it over, and then it does normally pop off. Don't try and yank on it with your hand and whatnot, because there's obviously that ball effect. It will just not come off. So you need to get right up underneath it, so it's like here, and then just pop it off, and then that should work. So what I need to do now is get the Allen keys, undo this, and plunk the bad boy on. So let's quickly grab my hand. So I've got the part that I need. So actually, do it all in front of you guys, so you can see. I don't know how much of a ball ache it's going to be to do by linking it all up. Hopefully it's not too hard. I'm hoping it's not hard actually. So, right. Cool, there's that. It's come apart, beautiful. Look at that. See, you can tell it's top quality. Okay. Love it. So, I'm gonna grab the bolts. Gonna grab you guys and bring you over. We're gonna plonk down the bolts down there. And we're gonna get you in somewhere on the angle. Okay, that way. So, go. Jesus Christ, you've got to have very small fucking hands for this shit. Jeez. Right. I'm guessing that's how it goes. So, right, that's all three of them installed. As you can tell, I've just now got to do them up. So back in 2 secs. Right, so that's now installed properly. So that's not actually going to move. So I'm going to try to do it on camera. But there you go. Now, yeah, there you go. So let's quickly go inside the wagon. Oh, let's see, actually, quite a, oh Jesus, that's got no throw whatsoever. I like that, I like better. Best thing to do will be me driving it, but I won't be able to get a video of that as I don't have the right amount to do it. So I'm gonna take off all this crap because it's rubbish, get it all installed and pipe back up. So let's crack on. Thursday. Honey, where's my super suit? I need it. Why? Because I do. Right, 2 seconds because I need to cut something. Just go back down here. slide back on there. This can plug back in. What else have I undone? Boom. So I've got to put this back up in here, which I think is going to be an absolute fucking helmet of a job. Yeah, it does want to. There you go. Why is silicone pipe so fucking annoying to get on? Right, just go. Fuck on. You annoying piece of shit. Kindly. Oh, right. Cool. She's in. Let's sort out the pipe here and everything, so that should work all sound. I've got to get the engine cover and the light back in, so let's do that in 3, 2, 1 and done. There you go. So that's the install of the short shifter on the Fiesta ST. So guys, nevertheless, if you've enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel up here. Check out the new videos here and here. And I'll see you guys on the next one. I've got 3 new ones coming out. I've got my RGB halos, the RGB grill, which Car Enhancements UK are actually sending me to do a review on. Absolute legends of them. And the install of my HID kit, which I haven't released yet. But I'll put the link down in the description of the short shifter so you can get your hands on it. And I ain't got a discount code as of yet, as I don't think I'm big enough. So, got to work our way towards that. So, nevertheless, like I said, thumbs up, subscribe when it's up here, and see you guys on the next one. Cheers for watching.